Hello everyone, my name is Justice from Just Auto Channel, and today I'm here live at Park Place where I will be doing a full review on this 2020 Lotus Evora GT. So stay with me as I take you around and show you what it is. Now this is a newly redesigned 2020 Lotus Evora GT. Now this Lotus Evora GT is a rear-wheel drive car. The Lotus Evora, to me, this is a supercar. It is one of the most affordable supercar that you can buy. And the Lotus Evora was introduced in 2008. Like I said, this Lotus Evora was introduced in 2008 at the British Motor Show. And the Lotus Evora is a British car. There's the engine. You might be wondering what is special about this Lotus Evora. This one over here, this has the Monaco white. This is another Lotus Evora GT. This is the white Evora GT. So if Park Place is one of the major Lotus dealership here. And as you can see, it says Lotus of Bellevue. That's all carbon fiber. Now this actual one that I'm reviewing today, this is the this has the exterior color of Exige orange. Now you might be wondering what's so special about this Lotus Evora. This is one of the most affordable supercar that you can buy, and the reason why this is so affordable and so reliable today is because this is powered by a 24 valve 6-cylinder engine, which is the 3.5 liter V6 engine you find in the Toyota Highlander, Toyota 4Runner. But what they have done is that Lotus, the company, has supercharged this engine to give it so much power. And this Lotus Evora starts from, the base manual starts at 96,000. And the base automatic starts at $99,650. Now this is the mid-mounted supercharged 3.5 liter 24 valve engine, and this engine is paired with 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, which makes it to be a very reliable car. Now the 6-speed automatic transmission has intelligent precision shift. As you can see, it has paddle shifters and everything that you will find in a very expensive car. So this 3.5 liter supercharged engine that is this Lotus Evora is powered with produces 416 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque for the manual and 332 pound-feet of torque for the automatic. Now this car, even though it produces so much power, you get 17 miles to a gallon in the city and 26 miles to a gallon on the highway. And that is what the interior of this Lotus Evora GT is like. On the seat you can see boldly written Lotus. Functional vents. Now this is, as you can see, this is the automatic, and you can see the park in the bottom, neutral on the top, drive, and reverse. So this is the automatic Lotus Evora. Let's see what this one is like. And this is the manual, the 6-speed manual Evora. So this is the difference. The one in front is automatic. That's the automatic Evora. And this one is the manual Evora. And here this is a manual Evora. So here they at Park Place, they have any Lotus that you are looking for. So this is one of the best places if you want to buy one of these Lotus Evora. You can come here and see what their cars are like. And the back of the Evora GT, this is what it's like. And then on the back, boldly written is Lotus. On the bottom of it, GT, Evora GT. Once again, that is the 3.5 liter supercharged engine. And on this seats written Lotus and GT on the bottom of it. As you can see, that is all carbon fiber. And if you are wondering what this Lotus Evora GT weighs, this Lotus Evora GT weighs about 3,175 pounds, and this is a 2-door coupe. And if you are wondering how fast this Lotus Evora can go, because the 3.5 liter V6 engine is supercharged, this Lotus Evora has achieved a top track speed of 188 miles per hour for on the manual transmission. So for the automatic transmission, the Lotus has achieved a 174 miles per hour on the automatic. And this comes with 20-inch tires on the rear and 19-inch tires in the front. And on the brake calipers, and you can see it's written racing. Now this Lotus Evora GT can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 3.8 seconds, making it a very, very fast car. So what do you think about this this 2020 Lotus Evora? Please leave your comment in the comment section. Press the bell notification icon, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that when I post my future videos, you will be able to see my videos. Thank you very much, and I will see you all next time.